Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Beauty Forever hair again. This is today's package. They switched it up a little bit with this cute little bag, and then I got the drawstring back on the inside of that. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing I'm seeing is a wig, which we're gonna get into after going through the goodies. All right, so I got a pair of wig caps, HD wig caps that is, and then I got another pair in this drawstring bag right here. I love that they always send this much wig caps. And yeah, then I also got a branded elastic headband, a set of press-on nails, and finally wear onto the wig. So today's wig is a Yaki Straight by Knots wig. It's a 7x5 closure. It's a pre-plucked glueless put on and go wig. Okay, as I say, it's a by Knots. So basically the lace is giving invisible. They did a really nice pluck job on this. It's a 1B color, by the way. You have a good amount of space working with the lace area. I love that. And there's also adjustable straps in the back, as you can see in the cap here. There is a elastic band for more security. There's a curve at the ear portion to accommodate your ears, so the wig cap sits on your head comfortably. The knots are already bleached. As I said, it's a put on and go wig, and it's a Yaki Straight texture. I'm gonna put the specific length and density of this wig in my description box. I was just adjusting the strap right there, and then I went ahead and slipped the wig on. It's very easy, very to the point, very beginner friendly. This is how it looks right away after slipping it on. So obviously you see that little strip of cast. All you need to do is go in with some face powder like I'm doing right now to help to cancel that out as much as possible. So you just want to take your time, tap that in, and you know, do that bit by bit, and you know, decrease that cast. A further step you could take to really take away that casty look is take the elastic headband and tie it around the area to get it really nice and pressed in. So right here I was just showing you the space that we're working with this closure wig, and so I'm parting through the lace area to show you that yes, feel free to go ahead and, you know, explore different styles, do braids, you know, do the half up half downs. You can definitely explore, and today we're definitely gonna get into a few styles. So that's what I was doing, but I really do love the lace on this wig. Beauty Forever is definitely doing their thing, and let me tell you, I barely got any shedding from this wig. I always like this texture, you know, because it feels really strong. Something about it just gives super natural, and I really love it. So I basically went ahead and perfected like the parting there. It wasn't perfect right away because after hot combing the top of the wig, I realized that okay, the front of that parting was a little lean, and you'll see further down that I fixed it to the best of my ability. But I just grabbed my hot comb here and I just went through that, took my time, because you guys know I do not like if my wig, the top of my wig is high or bulky. So I really take my time to press that down to get it as flat as possible. But look at that parting, it's giving scalp. I didn't have to reinforce that parting with concealer or foundation, so they bleached the lace to perfection. So I definitely love that. I then went in with my flat iron after, you know, thoroughly pressing the top of the wig to get it as flat and realistic looking as possible. Got my flat iron to just go through the wig thoroughly, and it didn't take a long time to flat iron. It already was so nice and straight, but I really wanted the bone straight vibes. You guys know me, you know me, so I had to go in with my flat iron, and as I said, it didn't take long to get it bone straight. So this is it after I'm finished with completely straightening the hair, and it is perfection. It's flawless. Look at the movement. It's like butter, okay? Butter. It's lovely. So I decided that, okay, let's go ahead and explore a few styles. So obviously that was like the first style, which is super basic, just to the point. That's really not even a style, but you know, well groomed vibe. Now I basically said, you know what, let me go ahead and do like 2 ponytails in the mid portion. I got a scrunchie and basically just want to section that off and just do what I'm doing here in the video. Very straightforward, and that's cute. Cute, super cute. That gives me schoolgirl vibes. That's how we're looking with style number 2. All right, super flowy hair, super flowy. Now for the final style, I decided that, you know what, I wanted to do something with a little bit of braid action, so I went ahead and did like 2 little braids at the front, at the top, and I eventually made them a little bit more messy. So as you guys saw, I tugged at the edges of the braids, and this is how we're looking. Super cute, super cute, and glueless. Okay, so complete glueless vibes, no adhesive needed. This is style or look number 3. Let me know what you guys think. Beauty forever, you did it. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested, you could go ahead and get it for yourself. All specifications are listed. That is it for today's wig video, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.